Celebrities are known for setting trends, and one thing you may have noticed is how many of them start their mornings with a mysterious green drink in hand. You might be wondering, what exactly is this green drink that so many of them swear by? And why is it so popular? Well, today we're going to uncover the secret behind this drink and explain why it's become a go-to health boost for many celebrities. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the simple yet powerful recipe behind this trend and reveal its incredible benefits. The ingredients are easy to find, and you can make it at home in no time. All you need is some cucumber, a bit of ginger, and chia seeds that have been soaked overnight. After that, you simply blend everything together with a little water, and your green drink is ready. It's not just about convenience, though. This drink is packed with nutrients that do wonders for your body. Let's break down exactly what each ingredient brings to the table and why this green drink is so beneficial. First, let's talk about the chia seeds. These tiny seeds might not look like much, but they're packed with amino acids, which are essential for healthy hair. If you've been dealing with hair fall, chia seeds can help reduce that and even promote faster hair growth. Not only that, but they also contain protein and fiber, both of which improve the texture of your hair, making it stronger and healthier. They work deep down, nourishing your scalp and strengthening your hair roots, which is key to achieving that shiny, healthy look that many celebrities have. Now let's move on to the ginger. This common kitchen ingredient does much more than add a little spice to your food. Ginger has powerful antibacterial properties, which help keep your skin clear and prevent breakouts. It's especially effective in controlling acne and reducing the formation of pimples. So if you've been struggling with skin issues like breakouts or acne, adding ginger to your morning routine might just be the solution you need. It works to cleanse your skin from the inside out, helping you maintain that smooth, glowing complexion that so many celebrities seem to have effortlessly. Finally, we can't forget about the cucumber. While cucumbers are known for being incredibly hydrating, they're especially important during hot and humid seasons, like the monsoon. Staying hydrated is not only crucial for your overall health, but it also plays a major role in keeping your skin fresh and plump. The natural water content in cucumbers helps to flush out toxins from your body, keeping your skin looking radiant and helping you feel more energized throughout the day. With this green drink, you're not only staying hydrated, but also giving your body and skin the nutrients they need to thrive. So that's the secret behind the green drink that so many celebrities start their day with. But don't go anywhere just yet. Next in Celebrity Secrets, we're going to reveal how one of Hollywood's most famous actresses managed to completely transform her complexion. She took her oily skin and turned it into a fresh, radiant look, and we're going to show you exactly how she did it. If you want to find out more and stay in the loop, be sure to subscribe our channel today so you don't miss out on the next episode. Bye.